Microgreens are young vegetable or herb plants that are grown from seeds and harvested just a few weeks later. In this video, we will discuss the importance of proper care and maintenance of microgreens to ensure they grow healthy and strong. Water is one of the most important elements in the growth process of microgreens. It is important to not overwater or underwater microgreens. When watering, the key is to keep the soil moist without waterlogging, which can cause the roots to rot. Microgreens require the right amount and type of light for optimal growth. Natural sunlight or grow lights can provide sufficient light, but it is important to ensure that the microgreens are not getting too much or too little light. Fertilizer can help microgreens grow into healthy and tasty plants. However, it is important to not overuse fertilizers, as this can cause the plants to become too leggy or even die. A balanced fertilizer with a low concentration is ideal for microgreens. By following the tips discussed in this video, you can ensure your microgreens grow into healthy and flavorful plants. With the right care and maintenance, your microgreens will flourish and be a great addition to any meal.